How to redeem your Fortnite redeem code or how to redeem your Fortnite code. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Visnad, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem your code on Fortnite. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is on your device, you can head into your device, open up your device and head into your browser, and at the search bar you want to search in for redeem Fortnite code. You can simply type in redeem Fortnite code, and once you do so you'll get two different links here. You can see Fortnite and Epic Games. You can head into either ones, it's the same. So you want to tap on that particular, you can head into Epic Games as well, or you can simply directly head into your Fortnite, this first link here. And here what you want to do is you want to first make sure that you're logged into your particular account, your Epic Games account that you want to redeem your code on. So you want to tap on the horizontal icon or the hamburger icon there, and you can see I'm logged into my account here. You want to make sure you're logged into the correct account, and down below you want to enter in the access code, tap on redeem, and it'll get redeemed. So this way you can easily redeem your Fortnite redeem code. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.